What's up, Vic Nation? Here with the wife. Wife was dropping me off. We took care of some business. So I left Maggie. No, I'm not even on Maggie today. See, Maggie's on my mind. I left Bertha over here with the boys, but we're gonna take a little ride today. And I think we're heading out to Burlington, and then we're gonna go to Raging Bull in Durham. Got a little event going on, so we're gonna slide over there. And right here. Yeah. We're gonna slide over here to the boys real quick. Hopefully they ain't leave me. I've been gone 17 minutes. They supposed to be waiting for me, but I've been gone for a minute. Watch that stick right there. See? Got a few bites over here. This is 4 of us, but we can get ready to get up out of here.
You see everything, honey.
Because I wear glasses. What's up, brother?
How y'all doing this morning?
What's going on, man?
You all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She looking good. She looking good, boy.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
Yeah. 17 last year. Y'all gotta excuse me. For some reason, I had a problem with my fingers today.
Kevin, how you doing?
Terry, nice to
Yeah.
meet you. Kelvin, man.
Hey, Kevin, how you
Nice
Terry,
to
man? How
meet
you
you,
doing?
Terry, what's up? Butch.
Who? Butch. Terry, man. How y'all doing? All right? Good thing, man. I don't know if y'all know Tick Tick or not.
What's going on, man? How you doing? How you doing?
Tick Tick.
Hey, man. Big Sean, Big Sean.
Yeah, the older brother's been rolling for, I don't know, long damn, many damn years.
I used to ride with guys back in the 60s.
He rolled in the
Some of them
67.
had them old hollers.
Had a
They got
74.
them from police auction.
Oh, okay.
Shift on the side.
Oh, with the shifter.
Them boys love to race each other. I was back on my little Hondas. My little
You just got this, huh?
Yeah.
I get
Yeah,
them
that's about a week before last.
Wow. How far you been so far?
Huh?
How far you been?
Rolled through Savannah.
Oh yeah, that's far.
I know, but that Mississippi road thing, they had some wrong with it. Coming up the damn road, so I bought the ride.
I see that guy while he trying to buy your backrest, too.
Yeah, I'm sure I'm riding. I'm a ride.
Man, he's in by himself.
Yeah. I got a...
My wife was so nice to record this for me, and she sent it to me, so I gave you a little riding video. Thanks, babe. I love you. All right, Vic Nation, we done made it out here. This week we are at Down Home Harley Davidson. And you know they out here. And you know I always say, can we find some Vics? Well, we got a Vic owner here talking to another Vic owner. He didn't bring his Vic out here today, but she out here. Y'all know Miss Black Cherry, she with us. Y'all remember her? Yeah, Terry on twos, you know how he get down with the Mexicans on it. And we got that wing out here. And Mr. Rotonde. I know I messed his name up. And you already know who out here. Bertha made the set. Sitting in the sun. But it's a little hot out here. I done unveiled, got my victory shirt on. You know how I do it. So we're gonna go inside and see what's going on inside here. Let's take a walk with me. It's your typical dealership, but this particular dealership has a lot of bikes squeezed in the showroom. I heard you get some good deals here. One of my guys is here checking on some service stuff. Man, I just wanted to get a little look around, man. You know, I still like bikes. You know what I'm saying? I'm not necessarily in love with Harleys, but they're pretty nice bikes. All right, Vic Nation, we're out down home, Harley Davidson. We're gonna be out here for a little bit. I'm riding with the fellas. Met the fellas out this morning. They got hot dogs, hamburgers, brats, soda, and beer. And they're also doing a raffle over here. Veterans doing a raffle over here, and the raffle that they're doing is for a 44 Winchester. I put that in. If I win it, I got somebody special I want to give that to. I'm not gonna even keep it. I know who I want to give it to. Somebody that's changed my life and does some things for me in my life that's incredible. You know, but I thank God, man. Today's a beautiful day to be off today, be able to be out here to ride and be with the guys and be with the fellas. We fellowshipping each other. We breaking bread with each other. You got to get out here on these twos, man. And when you wake up in the morning, first thing you need to do is thank God that you got life to be on the twos. You know what I mean? So we're gonna head to another dealership. They got something else going on in Durham. So when we slide to Durham, I'll hit you back. We already made the motorcycle gas stops, so we out here. But just wanted to check in with you. You know I'm gonna represent no matter what we're doing. I'm Vic for life. So Vic Nation, stand up. But come with us, man. I know a lot of y'all in Memphis this weekend. A lot of y'all in Sturgis this weekend. Y'all stay safe. God bless you on them twos and stay safe on them twos. You remember, if you ride one, you own one, and if you own one, you ride two. Peace. All right, what's up, Vic Nation? We finally made it up here. We're at Raging Bull, Durham, North Carolina. You with your boy Vic King. We out here. We're gonna turn it around. We're gonna see some people and we're gonna see some bikes. So let's get it. that. Little big thing in here. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna go back to full bike, baby.
Yeah, baby.
All right, Big Nation, I'm out here burning up for some ice. It's in the 90s, but it feels like it's in the 100s. It's time for us to get up out of here. We get this ice, and then we're gonna hit the road. And once we hit the road, I'm gonna hit you when I get back to the house. So Big Nation, peace. You know, if you ride one, you own one. We did find one. I'm gonna see if I can find him. If I can't find him, I'm just gonna show you pictures of the Vic, and then we out. Peace. All right, Vic Nation, we have to take us a break. It's hot as I don't know what outside. It says it's in the 90s. I don't even look. I don't even care. I know it's like, it feels like it's 110 out there. And it's so hot. Yeah, my feet feeling like they wet. I guess everybody that's in here, they hot too. So we're gonna look at some bikes as soon as I cool off. But I did get this icy, and I saw Lakeisha, somebody I used to work with, on the truck. She's the one selling the icy, so that's actually pretty cool, man. See somebody I used to work with so many years ago. But we're gonna get back on this bike thing. Give me 1 minute, get my stuff together, and we cool off, finish this icy, and then we're gonna get back at you, Big Nation. Peace. All right, Big Nation, we are at Raging Bull. We made it out here. Like I said, it's hot. It's coming down to the bewitching hour. It's almost 2:45. What's going on out here? Let's spin it around. All right, Big Nation, it's been fun. I'm gonna get out this heat. I'll see you next time around. You can pick you one of these Harleys out, but you already know how I roll. You know, if you ride one, you own one. If you own one, you ride two. Peace, Big Nation.
Everything that happens is motivation.
Congratulations to Terry on Tues for the new Vic 2016 Magnum. Shout out to the boys. Peace, Vic Nation. Remember, you're trying to chill, not here.